Morning, matey.
Morning, you alright, everyone?
Yes. Right, so spoke to the boss, aka Gina, and she wants to know if we can fit the Birch job on Tuesday, which is about 4 days' time. So, what stage are we at on the Birch? There's a stack there.
They've been trimmed on the houses so far.
What, on the shelves?
And on the shelves, they're ready for oiling. It's nearly dusted down.
They've had all their edges sanded up, haven't they?
Yeah.
So, edges done. These shelves completely finished, ready for some oil.
Yeah, those shelves.
So John's coming in, well actually, don't know on what's happening with John. And the recent update with Boris the animal. Whether we can actually fit, we'll have to wait and see, and whether John can come in, because he may not be able to. So what have we got left to do? So with these all the uprights, aren't they?
Yeah,
they need biscuiting. And adjustable shelf pegs.
Yeah.
That's what we're making. But this one's showing only 3 meters tall. It's actually another meter, so it's going to be extended to all the way up there. So we're going to need some scaffolding to fit this one. There we go, my little scribbles, how we're going to be making it. It's a little joint. And they don't want backings on this, do they? So, because they've got like a rustic country house, they've got a nice panelled wall it's going to go up against, so no backings. What are these bits? They're the rest of the shelves?
They're the rest of the adjustable shelves.
So is it possible to get this job out for Tuesday? I mean, it's only going to take about an hour or so to get it in the van, and we don't need to wait for paint to dry overnight, so we can get it loaded literally the night before, on the Monday. So we've got, what day are we on today? Tuesday, Wednesday, fitting on Thursday, aren't we?
Yeah, we've got Friday.
Yeah, so 4 days. 4 days to finish off the biscuiting and the adjustable shelf pegs and the Osmo oil, which is a light white colour. There's quite a few pieces, so let's hope we can get John in. Possible. Alright, so this is what I made yesterday. This is the video that I made, what you saw on my last vlog. The adjustable shelf video I was talking about. I made that, so that's gonna be coming on Sunday, I believe. I'm editing that as we speak. Well, not as we speak, but in the process of editing that. And I had to put a pause on spraying this stuff because Gina the boss came in and said to me, I have to make a bookshelf, some floating shelves, and these floating shelves. This is the video, but I also need to fit this today, by Thursday. So that was a tall order. So Sean jumped on it and we doubled up these shelves. So explain how you made these double thickness shelves, Sean.
Before I glued them together, I made sure the cup was like a lemon shape.
Yep.
So I put glue away around the printer and then loads in the middle and pinned them together and then filled and sanded the faces. And then stacked them and filled the edges and then sanded them.
So each one is 36mm thick now.
Yeah.
And it's part of a bookshelf. Where's the drawing for that bookshelf, Sean? There you go, bookshelf on one side as a complete unit and floating shelves on the other. And if you hold that for me. So they're all the same thickness shelves, aren't they? They're all 36mm shelves. Yeah. These are on shelf pins, a bit like the shelves over there, the pine looking ones, adjustable, and that is a complete unit. So that's what Sean's on right now. A few trims here. He's already brought a few pieces into the spray room for me yesterday, so he got on the case pretty quick and got quite a bit done. Loaded, sort of like a bluey colour. There you go, that colour in. And yesterday I got the backing sprayed, and 2 of the shelves and the 2 uprights for the bookshelf and the top and the bottom. And you can see with 1 coat how well it covers. If I just rest it, covers really well. Considering it's just 1 mist coat, dark colours always cover lovely compared to white, because obviously the MDF is dark brown. And the grain doesn't really rise as much, I've found. As long as it's a mist coat and you've got the heating on and a bit of ventilation, you know, got the air going, it's fine. So yeah, that's got to be sanded back once I've primed it. So that's what Sean's doing right now, and hopefully we'll stick to our target of this job on Thursday and floating shelves today and the birch on Tuesday. So tall order, we got three jobs, 1 large, 1 medium, 1 small, to get done in 5 days. Completed, all fitted, so it's tight. This is why we need John in. So that's what we're up against today. One other thing I need to do is change the belt on this saw, because it's got a few cracks in it, and I noticed that every time it starts up, it sort of takes a while to start. I think it's got a bit of slip in the belt. I've had a look and it's got a few cracks, so we've got a spare there. Gonna bang that in today. Right, so with the birch, we're gonna do a little test. We've got the oil here, and we're looking to go for 3111, which is an Osmo white finish. Any sort of timber finishes is generally an Osmo for me. Really simple to do, just put it on, buffer it off. And with the white, it's probably the easiest of them all, because you hardly really see it on the birch. So I wanted to just test it. I've opened up the can and it looks all right. I gave it a stir. It was yellow, obviously. This Osmo is made up of oils, so you give it a little stir and it comes back to life. So don't need to buy a tin. They go a long way. For example, this 2.5 litre tin has probably have had it for about 2 or 3 years and might have done me 3 or 4 large jobs already. So hopefully it will do me 1 more. So get my buffering cloth and one-handed. So I'm just doing this just to test it and see what colour we've got, and just see how it changes the appearance. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it doesn't do much, does it? Wow, hardly anything. Oh, there we go. You can see it here. Just a light white tone, I guess. Instead of it being yellowy like the birch is, or pinky, it's got a white tone to it now. And it's simple. You just literally apply it. Once it's put on, you take as much of it off with a buffering cloth, and that is job done. I haven't got a buffering cloth on me. I've got one next door, but let's flip that cloth around and take as much as I can off. Yeah, I think we're going to go for this. No need to buy any more. Lovely. What do you think? Quite happy with that. Where's the lights? Let's get some good light. You can't really see it in this bloody spray room. Then that's your best view. Lucky we got no backings though, because they're the ones that take forever. So guys, if you want to see any techniques, a video on how to apply this Osmo oil, there is a video, so look at the link above. I've got 3 different techniques: a roller, a rag, and a cloth. So have a look at the roller technique especially on this video, because it is a lifesaver. Anyone out there doing woodwork and oiling, veneers, timbers, put plies, This is a lifesaver because if you're doing a nice big backing like this one behind, for example, 8 foot by 4 foot, with a cloth that's going to take you 15 minutes, with a roller it'll take you 3 or 4 minutes. So have a look at that video, and plenty of little techniques there for you. So bit of maintenance and crack on with as much as we can, and I guess I'll see you in the next vlog, guys. Ciao for now. Bye bye bye.